Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to customize and animate anything on your website. So let's get into the video. Now, if you don't know already, I use Gohighlevel. Now, it's one of the best softwares I reckon in the world right now to start your own business. If you don't already have an account, just use the link below. I have a 30-day trial for you. For any of my affiliates, you'll also get sent my SaaS course. But let's get into it. So first, let's log in and I'm going to show you what I want to edit. So this is my website for one of my funnels right now. And I want, let's say, these icons to have a little bit of animation. So when people go on my website, it's a little fun interactive thing to keep people engaged. So let's open up ChatGPT and we're going to type something like this. Write me a CSS code that has animations for a icon that shakes slightly with a 1 second pause in between. And there we go. It spat out a complete custom CSS code and even teaches us how to integrate this into our website. So what we're going to do now is going to simply just press this copy code and go into our website editor. And we're going to go into settings, custom CSS. And I'm just going to scroll to the bottom and make some new lines and copy and paste that inside. And we're just going to press save for now. Okay. But we're not done yet, because once we press save, that's just going to make everything shake. So what we want to do is we want to press this icon. You can select whichever icon you want. So let's just do this magnifying glass. And you're going to click it and go into advanced. Now you see how, because of the code, it's making these shake. So we don't want that. We want only this thing to shake. So we're going to copy this CSS selector code, copy that, and go back into our settings. Go custom CSS, scroll to the bottom, and here we have icon. We're going to delete that and copy and paste and put a space in between and click yes, save. And so now you can see it's only this icon shaking. Now this icon shakes a bit too much, so I don't want that. I'm just going to go in and tell ChatGPT, make that shake less. And there we go. It gave us a completely new CSS code. And all we're going to do is copy the code, same thing in here. Go into settings, custom CSS. Now we're just going to make sure we delete that part. I don't want to delete the other stuff. So from keyframes shake. Okay, we delete that, copy this in, press save. And then do the same thing. I want the icon, advance, copy my CSS selector, go down to the bottom, delete icon and paste that in and click save. There we go. Simple, nice, small shaking icon for that. All done in just a few minutes. Now you can literally ask ChatGPT any type of animation that you want, whether you want it as a shake, a fade, a spin, honestly any type that you want, and this is how you do it. I hope this has helped you. Now if you are interested in starting your own SaaS business, I do have a free SaaS course that's available for you, but you have to be an affiliate of mine because I take care of all of my affiliates. I give them full access not only to the whole course for free, but also at one-on-one access to me with mentorships, calls, and even direct messages. And yes, I respond to all of them. So hope this video has helped you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.